Welcome aboard the stunning Disney Destiny. My name is Taylor, and today we'll be exploring a deluxe Oceanview stateroom and covering everything you need to know to prepare for your next cruise. Before booking, be sure to contact the Vacationeer for bonus onboard credit on top of Disney offers, in addition to exclusive rates, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you enter the stateroom, you'll find a wall of storage on one side, and on the other, you'll find the temperature control unit, as well as the entrances to the two-door split bathroom configuration. This separates the bathroom areas, but provides two sinks, which is a great addition compared to some other cruise line options. The first space features a sink, a backlit mirror, and some towel hooks. Although storage options are somewhat limited, there is open storage in the corner, under the sink, and next to the backlit mirror. The second bathroom space features a shower tub combo with an adjustable shower wand and a good-sized tub for families. The sink area has a second backlit mirror and some open shelving, but no drawers down below. Mounted to the door, you will find a full-length mirror. This is great for getting ready for some of those late-night shows or just heading out for pirate night. Across from the split bathroom, you'll find the primary storage for the room. One side features hanging storage, shelves perfect for those packing cubes, and the room safe. The other closet space features full-length hanging storage as well as a shelf up top to store any other items away. All Oceanview categories are equipped with a queen bed topped with a premium plush Eurotop mattress, which sits on an elevated wooden frame with tons of room to tuck your bags or large items away. One side of the bed has a small side table and a Euro plug with USB and USB-C ports for charging. The opposite side has two US plugs, two USB-C ports, and the same side table to tuck small items away. In front of the bed, there's a large flat panel TV with a wide variety of free on-demand content including Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars movies, along with Disney Channel, Junior shows, ABC, and ESPN. They also provide ship-specific channels with daily schedules, port adventure previews, a bridge cam view, and guest activity highlights. Next to the TV, you'll notice a door that connects to the neighboring stateroom. This is great for so many families because you can book them as connecting rooms. That gives you two bathrooms, two bedroom areas, and extra sleeping areas to create the perfect setup for you, your family, or whoever you're traveling with. The living area includes a large sofa and a Pullman-style bed, as well as a large desk area with additional drawers and open storage. Sleeping up to 4 passengers, you would have 2 on the queen bed, 1 on the couch bed, and 1 on the Pullman. To provide separation for sleeping areas, this room features a heavy privacy curtain in case one of the kiddos is taking a nap or dad just wants to take a nap in the afternoon. Directly across, there's ample storage, a vanity desk with complimentary hairdryer, a backlit vanity, a magnifying mirror, and several outlets including Euro, 2 US plugs, and 2 USB-C plugs. The desk area also includes multiple drawers and a beverage cooler. And of course, you'll have that large porthole window that gives this Oceanview category its name. And although it doesn't have a step-out veranda, this is a huge upgrade from one of the inside staterooms. The layout is identical to the veranda category, so you get those split bathrooms and much more space to spread out for you and the family. Inside categories are much smaller and don't feature that split bath. As we all know, the stateroom is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising.